Hello everyone, this is scapula bone, shoulder blade in Latin, and shoulder bone. It is present in pectoral girdle, part of pectoral girdle, appendicular system में present है. So yeah, let's start with side determination. Side can be determined, side determination can be done. This process present dorsally and this present ventrally. Costal surface, this is said to be costal surface, and this is the dorsal surface. This process, spine of scapula and the acromion process present dorsally, and this cavity for shoulder joint, glenoid cavity, present laterally. So this is the right scapula bone, okay. This bone has a two surface, three process, three angle, three borders. Two surface are the costal surface, ये ventral surface, dorsal surface. Costal surface is concave, dorsal surface is convex. Three process. This process, ये टूटा हुआ है इसमें. It has a three process: acromion process, and coracoid process. ये टूटा हुआ है coracoid process, and this is also broken part. ये टूटा हुआ है. Okay. Spinous process, acromion process, and coracoid process. ठीक है. And has a three angles: superior angle, inferior angle, lateral angle. And this cavity is for the shoulder joint, glenoid cavity. Okay, let's start with the surface. Along with I am telling you the attachment of the scapula. Okay, ये तो अकेले के लिए बताती हूँ, no problem. So this is the costal surface. This is subscapularis fossa, in which subscapularis muscle attached. Origin of subscapularis muscle is there in costal surface. It is concave surface for the attachment of the convex surface of chest wall. Chest wall is convex and this is the concave, so that it can attach there. And this part is convex. The spinous process divides dorsal surface into the two parts. Above the spinous process is supraspinatus fossa. Below this is the infraspinatus fossa, in which supraspinatus muscle is attached. As you can see here, I have marked red. Red for the origin of the muscle and blue for the insertion of the muscle. So this red border indicating the origin of the supraspinatus, and this whole supraspinatus, and this is the origin of the infraspinatus muscle below the spinous. So yes, two surface of the scapula is done. Now let's proceed to the processes of the scapula. As I have said, it has the three process: spinous process, acromion process, and coracoid process. Spinous process is originate from there, and it has a two surface: superior surface and inferior surface. And this is the crest of spine in posterior surface. This is anterior surface and this is posterior surface. Posterior surface of spine consists of this crest of spine, which has a two lip. This is upper lip and this is the lower lip. Upper lip is attachment for the trapezius, insertion of trapezius. So this is upper lip and this is lower lip. Upper lip, in which trapezius muscles insertion is there in the upper lip. As you can see here, I have marked with blue marker, and this is the lower lip. Lower lip is for the origin of the deltoid muscle. Lower lip is for the origin of the deltoid muscle. So this is the spinous process of scapula. Anterior surface, posterior surface, crest of spine, upper lip, lower lip. Okay, understood? Then now proceed to the acromion surface. Acromion surface has a medial border and lateral border. Medial border again, this is origin of the deltoid muscle, and middle border has an insertion for the trapezius muscle. And here you can see this is the glenoid cavity, and this is the spinous process. So this notch is called as glenoacromial notch. This is the spine of scapula, this is glenoid cavity, and the notch present between them is spinoglenoid notch, as you can see here, this one, through which suprascapular nerve and arteries travels there. There are two notch actually. This is the spinoglenoid notch, and this is this notch. This is also notch. This is suprascapular notch, through which dorsal scapular nerve and arteries travels. Suprascapular notch, and this is spinoglenoid notch. Suprascapular nerve. हाँ, and one thing मुझसे वाइवा में पूछा गया था कि what is the head of the scapula. It is not the long bone type, but also glenoid cavity. This glenoid cavity can be said as the head of the scapula. Okay, so yeah, spinous process and acromion process done. Then this is the coracoid process, and this is the atavistic type of joint, type of epiphysis. Okay, so yeah, acromion process, coracoid process. Coracoid is crow like beak of the crow, ऐसा कुछ दिखता है इसलिए बोलते हैं. Then angle, let's proceed to the angle. This is superior angle, this is the superior angle, this is inferior angle, this is lateral angle. ओके, हो गया, सरफेस हो गया, प्रोसेस हो गया, और एंगल हो गया. ठीक है, सरफेस, प्रोसेस, एंगल, बॉर्डर. ओके, बॉर्डर, दिस बॉर्डर इज कॉल्ड मीडियल बॉर्डर. फ्रॉम सुपीरियर एंगल, फ्रॉम हेयर सुपीरियर एंगल, trace the border to the inferior angle. This is called as medial border. From lateral angle and the inferior angle, this border is the lateral angle, lateral border. This is medial border, this is lateral border, and this is superior border. थोड़ा सा टूटा हुआ है, but you can see here, this is superior border, medial border, and this one is the lateral border. Now I am telling you the attachment. So this is subscapularis muscle की attachment, and this is infraspinatus muscle की attachment in the infraspinatus fossa. This is supraspinatus fossa, in which supraspinatus muscles originate here. And lateral border पे, हाँ, this is the supraglenoid tubercle, and this is infraglenoid tubercle. From the infraglenoid tubercle, the origin of tricep muscle, long head of tricep is originate from the infraglenoid tubercle. And below this lateral border, upper 2/3 part of the lateral border, origin of the teres minor muscle. Teres minor originate as in the two slip by the circumflex scapular artery, interrupt the two slips. Okay, you can see here, this is teres minor muscle origin, and this is the teres major, lower 1/3 of the lateral border of scapula, teres major muscle. Inferior angle is the origin for the latissimus dorsi muscle, and this is the medial border. From the superior angle to the root of the spinous process, insertion of the levator scapulae. This is the levator scapulae insertion. In the root base of the spinous process, this is insertion of the rhomboid minor, and from the root base of spinous process to the inferior angle is the rhomboid major. levator scapulae, rhomboid minor, rhomboid major. एंड लिप वाला बता दिया ऑलरेडी. ओके देन हाँ, मीडियल बॉर्डर ये कोस्टल सरफेस है. कोस्टल सरफेस की मीडियल बॉर्डर से सेरेटस एंटीरियर का इंसेशन है. दिस इज द इंसेशन फॉर द सेरेटस एंटीरियर. ओके, कोराकोइड प्रोसेस हैज अ टू ओरिजिन, long head, short head of the bicep and coracobrachialis and insertion of pectoralis minor. And this is origin for the omohyoid, origin of omohyoid. And this is a long head of bicep originate from the supraglenoid tubercle, and short head of bicep originate from the infraglenoid tubercle, and coracoid process, and long head of tricep originate from the infraglenoid cavity. That is for the today. Okay, thank you.